Hello everybody, our project is ration shop automation using RFID, and our project members are myself Baby, Sasikala and Anishani. Our project is being guided by Mr. P. Tamil Valluvan and coordinated by Mr. M. Sharif. Our project focuses on design and implementation of automation of ration shop. Due to manual measurements in the conventional system, the user is not able to get the accurate quantity of the materials. So there is also a chance for illegal usage of our products in the conventional systems. To avoid these limitations, we are going for automation of ration shop. The main problems in the conventional systems are illegal usage, overcrowd, and the processing speed is very low. In the proposed system, we are going to design the order for three commodities, namely rice, sugar, and kerosene, as other products can be provided in the form of packets to the users. These three commodities are stored in the reservoir tanks, and they are measured and supplied to the user when it is required. The user has to enter the required quantity, and the worker, with the help of the worker, the quantities are supplied to the user. And in our project, there is also option to block the card if the card has been lost by the user. The user can block the card with the help of the worker by displaying the any proof like voter ID or any identity proof. The user after blocking the card can also able to apply for a new card in ration shop itself. The user can also change the details of the family, like changing the address or removing and adding the members of the family by showing the birth certificate or death certificate to the worker. And the hardware and software tools used in our project are PIC controller, and then RS232, RS card, RFID card reader, PC, and then CPU with DC driver. And the software used is Embedded C, Visual Basic, and MS Access.
In our project, every user will be provided this RFID card. This card will have unique code. Based on this unique code, the database will be created, and in the database, the names and ages of the family members and their personal address are stored in that database. In this tag will contains one coil and antenna, uh, and RFID. This is RFID card reader. This RFID card reader will be installed at the ration shop itself. The user has to get this card near to the card reader. The reader will read the specific code of this tag, and it will display the personal details of the family members. And here we are using a 12 amps, 12 volt transformer, and the initially the 230 volt is a step down is converted to 12 volt by using a step down transformer, and we are giving this 12 volt to the voltage regulator, because the PIC controller we are using here is PIC 16F877A. This PIC controller will require only 5 volts or only 5 volts. To convert this 12 volts to 5 volts, we are using voltage regulator, and here we are using DC motors, because to control the flow of the rice and sugar, we are using DC motors. These DC motors are driven by the DC drivers. These DC drivers will require a relay, and these relays are operated using 12 volt. And to control the flow of the kerosene, we are using a solenoid valve, because the outlet of the oil commodity can be controlled only with the help of the solenoid valve. This solenoid valve will also operate with 12 volt. Um, the initially in the initially the PC window will appear as like that.
Initially, the PC window will appear like this. This is as we show the card near the card reader.
This is the card.
RFID card
This is
reader.
the card. When this card is brought near the reader,
The card number is read here, and if we click the option purchase, it first displays the family member's name and the age to verify it. And after verifying, we should click OK button, and just we have given here 100, 140, 140 as allotted quantity. And as we click this is the allotted quantity. As we click the required here, I'm going to click 12 as the required. For rice and sugar, 12, and then kerosene also 12. And as I click OK, the amount will be displayed. The total amount will be displayed here, and 220 is the total amount. And as I click OK, it goes here. And if I click OK near the rice button, the rice will flow now.
Yeah, now the rice has been flown here. I have put 60 grams, so it will flow at the 60 grams here. This is a project, and as I click the details change option, if I need to change any details in my project in my family member, I will be clicking details change and I will be clicking OK, and I have to delete Mr. Vijay. I'm sorry. And I'm going to delete Vijay, 12 years of age. And I have to click this H. And if I give OK, the details will be changed. It will be showing details changed successfully here. And it will show the newly allotted commodities. According to the details change, it will show the newly allotted commodities. I have to click OK here. And it can be done by the user itself, by the worker itself. Now I'm going to check whether the details have been changed or not. And you can see here that only 3 names are displayed here. And if I need to include any name, I will be including Vijay here. Now I'm going to include Vijay with the age of 12 years. Okay, details changed successfully. And here I have to click OK. The allotted quantities have been changed from 15. The rice quantity have been changed from 15 to 20, and sugar 3 to 4. For kerosene, it has also been changed. And now I'm going to home. And if I need to block this card, if I miss this RFID card, I can get a new card from the government itself. I can apply it here in the ration shop itself. And if I need to apply for a new card, I'll be showing this. Sorry. And for applying new card, you have to remember the number here. And I've given the number here. If I click the block option, it will be showing the new family members. The worker can confirm. And if we click OK, your card number you have to enter here. And the card number I'm going to block is 6F0055 E14A91. And if I click here, the card will be blocked and apply for a new card. Successfully applied. It will be showing here successfully applied. And once again, if I show the card here, if the card if the card is brought by some other person, it will be showing as this card is blocked. So if the user itself has got the card here, and if he are kept in somewhere and he got the card, we can able to retrieve here. If we click the retrieve option, this card, the wordings will be this card is retrieved. And this is our project.
And the main advantages in our project are the illegal activities which is carried in the ration shops can be totally avoided, and the government can have a correct database of how much of the commodities were used by the users, so that the workers cannot go ahead with any illegal activities. That's all. Thank you.